How to set up your gradebook Part 2 of 2. In this video, we will demonstrate how to add a manual grade item, grade a manual grade item, and set up an alternate assessment in the gradebook. There are instances where an assessment may not be done on the eLearning Academy platform, but must still be recorded in the gradebook. To do that, you need to create a manual grade item to enter the student grades, which we will go through now. We'll start from the course page, then click on Grades in the course navigation. Click on the Grade or Report drop-down and select Gradebook Setup. At the top of the gradebook, click Add and select Add Grade Item from the drop-down. In the pop-up window, next to the grade item, type in the name of the assessment. Type in the maximum grade for the assessment and leave the other options as default. Click on Save at the bottom right. Find the grade item in the gradebook, type in the weighting, and click Save Changes at the bottom right of the page. Now that the manual grade item is set up, the grades need to be added. We'll demonstrate the recommended way to grade items manually in bulk. Click on the Gradebook Setup drop-down and select Single View. You can choose to view either a single user or a grade item. We'll select Grade Items. Click on the Select a Grade Item drop-down and select the manual grade item you created earlier. On the View page, the table has headings for the username, current grade, grade range, feedback, and the option to override the grade or exclude the grade for this assessment. To make edits on this page, Edit mode needs to be enabled by clicking the toggle switch at the top right of the page. When the page reloads, text boxes will be visible to enter grades. Enter the grades for each student according to your list. Verify it and click on Save at the bottom right of the page. There are also instances where you have alternate assessments that need to be configured in the gradebook. We'll return to the gradebook page. First, you need to have your initial and alternate assessments created. Second, create a category for the alternate assessments. Click Add at the top of the gradebook and select Add a Category. In the pop-up window, type in the name of the category. Next, the most important change is to set the Drop the Lowest value to 1. The reason for this is that there will be 2 assessments in the category, and it will exclude one of the lowest values from the calculation. So if a student has a 0% for not attempting the initial assessment and has 50% for the alternate, the initial grade will be dropped and the alternate grade will be calculated. Now click on Save at the bottom right. Third, move the grade items to the new category. Click the checkbox on the left of the initial and alternate assessment. Click Move at the bottom of the page and select the category created before. The final step is to enter the weight of each assessment into the category and set each assessment's weighting to 1. As mentioned in the first gradebook video, the weighting value of 1 will have the system evenly distribute a weighting based on the other weights set, and in this case, when either assessment is dropped, it will adopt the full weighting of the category we set. Click on Save at the bottom right of the page. Now you know how to add a manual grade item, grade a manual grade item, and set up categories for alternate assessments.